Hey y'all, what's up? So we're gonna do something a little bit different today. I thought about making quesadillas, chicken quesadillas a couple days ago, but then, I found these chicken of the woods, and I thought, why not try making a chicken of the woods quesadilla? So I don't know what this is gonna taste like. It should be good though, so that's what we're gonna do today. Remember, when you're cooking any wild mushroom, but especially these and the lion's mane, cook them without any oil for a little bit and get the water out. These are actually pretty dry, so there's not a lot of water cooking out of them. These were really, really nice mushrooms. This is some of the best chickens I've found yet. So, yeah, I like frying them in butter, and we'll get these cooked up, and then put them on the quesadilla and fry that in butter. So I'm just going to use mozzarella on this, but I'm also going to use a little bit of goat cheese. I bought some of the goat cheese at Whole Foods. When I used to live in Alabama, I had a lot of Mexican friends that I would eat at their houses, or they'd bring me food to work, and they would always put goat cheese on the stuff, and I really did like it. They had some of the most awesome food ever. But I'm gonna grate some of this up, and this is sort of soft, so you just tear it up in chunks. If y'all hang out with me much, y'all probably starting to figure out that I'm using this green garlic and everything, and it is good. All right, it's ready. So I know I didn't talk much in the video, but hopefully you can see what I did. There wasn't many ingredients, there wasn't that many steps. Obviously chicken of the wood mushrooms and 1 green garlic, diced it up, some goat cheese, mozzarella, butter, salt, pepper. It's got a lot of dairy in it, so it's definitely not vegan, but it is vegetarian. So to the best part, let's taste it. That bite was good, mostly cheese. This bite will have that piece of chicken in it. That's good. Simple but good. Alright, well, that's worth knowing. I got something else that I can do with my chicken of the woods, is make a chicken quesadilla, vegetarian style. I hope y'all like that. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all be good. Bye. I'm gonna eat now.